why I explained gamma notation, now you will come to know, okay, in this lecture. Okay, hope you understand. Let's start it. Now, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx dx. Whenever you have this m and n can be anything. Either they be even number, odd number, fraction, anything you can apply this formula. That is the use of this gamma notation. Today morning some of the students asked me question which is based like this: sin power 6x in cos power 9x dx. Evaluate integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6x into cos power 9x dx. They asked me like this question. In the previous lectures, in Wallis theorem, I gave for this there is a formula for even and odd. If it is expressed only in even, if it is expressed only in odd, then we have the formula, and I explained the problems on Wallis theorem when you have odd power and even power. But if you know gamma notation, no need to least bothered about these both are in even power, these both are in odd power, both are in odd or even, both are in fraction, does not matter. We can apply and we can find using this Wallis theorem, using this gamma notation. This is the beauty of mathematics. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe it and share to the group. Okay, share in other groups. So integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx dx can be written as gamma notation n plus 1 by 2 into gamma into n plus 1 by 2 upon 2 times of gamma m plus n plus 2 upon 2. Already gamma notation I explained in the previous lecture. Please watch that, then only you will understand this. Let us see here integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6x into cos power 9x dx. How to integrate this? Using this formula I am going to do it now. Now gamma notation I read as n plus 1. See here, when I take m, you can take anything m and n, because now is least bother. This formula you can take anything, either maybe odd, even, anything. So here m is equal to, let us take 6 and n is equal to 9. Least bother. If it is anything, answer will be same. You take this is n, this is m. You take anything, the answer will be same. So what I am going to get n plus 1. This is I get as 9 by 2. Hope you understand here. 9 plus 1. Sorry. This n is 9. 9 plus 1. That is I get 9 plus 1 by 2. Gamma notation is 6 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 times of gamma notation m plus n, that is 6 plus 9 plus 2 divided by 2. This makes very easy. By this way we can find, this is very shortcut. So this will be getting as in the gamma notation 9 plus 1, that is 10 by 2. Can I write 5? This is gamma 5 into, this is the gamma notation 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 divided by, this is 2 times of, we can write as gamma notation 6 plus 9, that is 15, 15 plus 2, that is 17, so I can write 17 by 2. Already we discussed these values. You can substitute direct or you can listen to my class. So what I write here, gamma notation 5 is how much? Gamma notation 5 is 4 factorial. I already explained you. Gamma notation 5 we will write like this. Gamma notation 5 is equal to, you subtract from 5 1. What I get here 4. Write gamma notation 4. And then what you do here, subtract 4 from 4 1. That I get 3. And gamma notation 3. 4 into 3 into. Subtract 3 from 1. That is 2. 2 into gamma notation 2. Then I write as 4 into 3 into 2 into. 2 minus 1, gamma 1. Gamma 1 value already given 1. So the answer is 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are, you can write here, 12 2s are 24. So the answer is gamma 5 value is 24. Let's go for gamma notation 7 by 2. What I told you, gamma notation 7 by 2? Gamma notation 7 by 2 can be written as 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 you subtract 1. How much you get? 5 by 2. 5 by 2, 5 by 2, gamma notation 5 by 2. It means I get 7 by 2 into 5 by 2 into, are you understanding? Right? 5 minus 3, that is 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2 into gamma notation. What I am going to get? 3 by 2 minus 1, how much? That is 1 by 2. Gamma notation means gamma notation 1 by 2. What is the meaning of gamma notation 1 by 2 value? 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into gamma notation. Here now, this is understood. This is 7 by 2. I wrote 5 by 2. Next 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2. Right? 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. So gamma notation 1 by 2 is how much? Pi. Pi. Already I informed in the previous lecture, correct? That is gamma 1 by 2 value is how much? Let me see, that is root pi. I know. But let us see here pi or root pi. I gave root pi or pi. Let's see that value is how much I gave. Yes, let me see here. Root pi. Sorry. Root pi. So gamma notation, this value will be, this is I am going to get 7 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 3 by 2. And the subtraction of 3 by 2, this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 gamma notation 1 by 2. That is I get as 7 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi is the answer. I repeat here, gamma notation 7 by 2 I can write as subtract 1. The formula I get you. What is the definition? Gamma notation n plus 1 is equal to gamma n into gamma n. This is the formula. This is the definition of gamma notation. Gamma notation n plus 1 is equal to, एक subtract करो other से, you subtract 1, you get n and gamma n. That is the what? So 7 by 2 is 7 by 2. Subtract 1, that is 5 by 2. Subtract 1, that is 3 by 2. Subtract 1, that is 1 by 2. And gamma notation 1 by 2. Gamma notation 1 by 2 is root pi. So this is what you have. So from this what I am getting is, I am getting 7 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi divided by, now here 2 into gamma notation root 7 by 2, no? Root 17 by 2. 17 by 2, how can I write? I'll write here 17 by 2 into minus 1, that is 15 by 2 into minus 1, because minus 1 I do, 2 will be subtracted, that is 13 by 2. 13 by 2 minus 1, 11 by 2 minus 1, 9 by 2 minus 1, 7 by 2. 7 by 2, 7 by 2, gamma notation 7 by 2. You are getting it? Gamma notation 7 by 2. Gamma notation 7 by 2, this is 7 by 2 will cancel out. You understood? This is gamma notation 7 by 2. And you do here, you get 7 by 2, gamma notation 7 by 2 I get. Gamma notation 7 by 2. If you are, then this gamma notation completely cancelled out. Hope you understand this. If you are not understanding, I'll just say you, this gamma notation 7 by 2, this 7 by gamma 7 by 2 will be cancelled out and remaining will be your answer. If you not understand, then what you do here? Again you do here, this one 7 by 2 right here, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 right here, how much? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 write down, 1 by 2, gamma notation 1 by 2. So you comes here, see that 1 by 2, gamma notation 1 by 2 is how much? Pi into root pi. This value is how much? Root pi. So root pi, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, till these all is going to cancel out. So what I am going to get here, 2 ones are, this is 12s are cancel out. The answer will be 12 upon, what I am getting here, you can cancel that and multiply that, you are going to get the answer is, 12 into, just look at that, any mistake happened. So gamma notation here, 17 by 2, this is cancelled, 10 by 2 you are getting. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. I wrote what here 6. Here 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is how much? This is 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is how much? 10 by 2. That is 5 by 2. 24 by I wrote. Here is the mistake I wrote. That is here 9 plus 1, 10. Gamma notation 10 by 2. That is 5 factorial. Okay, directly I wrote 5 factorial value. Okay, 5 factorial. I wrote the 5 factorial value, 4 factorial value. Okay, fine. So that is right. So everything is right as cancelled out. What is remain on the top? It is remain on the top 12, and down what is remain here? This is the multiplication remain. Is there going to cancel anything? No. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So you get as divided by 32 into, you will get as 17 into 15 into 13 into 13 into 11 into 11 into 9. Hope you understand. 17 into 15 into 13 into 11 into 9 upon this is 32, 5 is there. So you can just do one thing, this is you shift up, and if it is possible any cancel, no cancellation is possible, multiply, this is your final answer. If you multiply, that will be your final answer, because these numbers you are going to get big numbers you are going to get in fraction. So the answer is, you just multiply this 32 into 12 and you multiply this, that will be your final answer. So this is the beauty of mathematics. So if you want to solve integration of anything 0 to pi by 2, sine power anything, if it is odd, even, you have fraction, anything, you can apply this formula. Using this formula you can find it. Hope you understand. This is what we call as gamma notation.